Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the audio route. Open War Thunder and set your system default output to the virtual cable. Next, grab the internet radio stream URL or load a M3U/PLS playlist into your player. Once done, set the player's output to the same virtual cable so War Thunder and the stream share the route. Make sure volume levels are moderate. You want voice comms audible, while music plays in the background for immersion without drowning important sounds. You now combine and control sources. Launch Voice Meter or OBS, add the virtual cable as an input and your microphone as another. Route the virtual cable to the game mix and the mic to the comms channel. This ensures the radio plays to you and optionally to teammates. Once routed, tweak per app volumes, lower music by 10-30% so battlefield cues remain clear. Also choose push-to-talk or open mic depending on latency and etiquette, and test levels in a quick private match. You finish by saving settings and running a short test match to confirm balance and transmission. If you don't hear the radio, make sure the player's output and Windows default playback are set to the virtual cable, and that voice meter captures that cable. If teammates can't hear the stream, check the voice transmit device in War Thunder and allow microphone access in your OS. Also ensure push-to-talk isn't stuck. One key tip: restart the audio apps after changing drivers to apply routing cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.